my loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lydia MEGGISON, and if you are new here, thank you for stopping by. If you are not, thank you. I really do appreciate you. I'm trying to get 10,000 subscribers, so click the follow button, like this video, share this video, comment something fun. Let's have fun, because this is a very, very fun video. Yeah. From the title of this video, you can already see what we're going to be talking about, and it is gift ideas for him or her this Valentine season. Yes, I would say that Valentine is where we show love, we give love, we feel love, but hold up, we're supposed to feel like this every day. And I know that every day is not Christmas, but you're supposed to make an effort, the intentionality to make your loved ones or make yourself or make your girls feel like this every day. But today we're going to be focusing on him or her. I would say that these gifts can also be given to maybe your male friends or your female friends also. The first thing I would say is that I'm a very, very thoughtful gift giver. I like to think that I'm a very, very thoughtful giver, because a lot goes into my gift giving process. So this video is going to be biased, but the good kind of biased. There are two important things that I feel like I like to go through when I'm giving gifts, and I feel like everybody else should also go through, like, two important things that you should think about when planning to give someone a gift. And the first one I already said, and I would say, is the gift should be a very, very thoughtful gift. A lot of thought, a lot of sentiment. This will make your loved one feel very, very special. And the second thing is gift within your budget. And also you can have a gift budget plan. People have that. I have that also. Like, you put money aside every month, every week towards gift giving. Friend's birthday is coming, your partner's celebration, anything is coming up, you should have a gift budget plan that you use. You don't want to be resentful towards your partner, towards your friend after giving a gift just because you are broke. I know that gift giving during a celebration, during whatsoever it is that you want to give, is a form of love, and you're not supposed to feel resentful, but we are human beings. And I feel like when you feel like this, it is because you find out that you are broke, you don't know where your money went to. So that is why you have to budget when giving a gift. So let's just get right into it. These gifts I'm going to be mentioning can be given to a male or a female, and when they are specifically for male or females, I would specify. I'm just going to throw out a disclaimer here. Like I already said before, I'm a thoughtful gift giver, so the gifts that I have put together here in my notes to mention to you guys are gifts that are, let me say, would I say, they're not really out of the norm, but they are not things that people would think about to give. First one is courses or books. Well, I'm going to be talking about courses today. If your loved one has been talking about a course, or they want to do something, or they are making plans to move forward in their career, in school, in whatsoever thing, and they need a course, or you think they would need a course, then that is where the thoughtfulness comes in. You look at your partner and you say that, okay, they are moving forward in their life, and you think that they will need this course to better their life, they will need this course to better their career. Hey, why not pay for their course, pay for their classes, pay for whatsoever it is that they would need to progress in their career, in their school, whatsoever it is. Just imagine if someone gives you a course. I mean, my head, like, these are the things that I love. Books too are great gifts. For me, the kind of person I am, I like to receive thoughtful gifts. I like to give thoughtful gifts. So this would be so beautiful for a man or a woman. The next one is jewelry or accessories. For the men, I find that wristwatches are a very, very great investment for men, and they really do appreciate these kind of gifts, like wristwatches, belts and stuff. So if you get them a very beautiful belt, a very beautiful wristwatch, they would adore it and they'll be very grateful. Moving over to like a woman's perspective, getting her a jewelry, personalized jewelry, a full beautiful necklace, pair of earrings, rings, and all that kind of glittery stuff that girls like, because I mean, I don't know the kind of girl that like a belt. Wristwatches are beautiful gifts for girls to this Valentine's season. Men, listen, this Valentine's season, you can also use this opportunity, this jewelry opportunity, to propose to your girlfriend. And if you have a wife, you can also use this opportunity to renew your vows. You can also use this opportunity to change her ring. If you have the money, why not? I know that is a bit cliche, but it is beautiful. Propose to your girlfriend this Valentine's season, so that when you guys are having maybe like a proposal anniversary, you guys would or every Valentine you just remember that, oh my god, he proposed to me this Valentine. In this moment, you are not only giving her a gift, like a material item, you're also giving her memories that she would hold on to forever and ever. Moving on to the third gift before I cry here. I said that these are not going to be like the traditional gifts. These are not going to be like traditional gifts. So another thing you can do is to help your partner secure business appointments, business meetings, business contracts. This one takes a lot of planning because you would have already put it in motion. I am a sucker for thoughtful gifts. You cannot even imagine. If I got a gift where is a business meeting with somebody that I have been looking for, because you and your partner are two different people. So your partner is an introvert. You know that you know so many people, or you know this person that knows this person that knows this person, and you help them land this contract, or you help them land this business appointment. They would always remember that Valentine 2023. This one takes a lot of planning, but I mean, if you can pull something together, pull something together. Moving on to the next gift. This one can work for both him or her, and this is a couple spa day. I mean, you guys have been working and working. I know that offices in Nigeria don't necessarily give that as a holiday, and I don't know what day Valentine is, but I'll check. You can book a couple spa day where you guys just relax, have fun, and just like relax, because life is already hard as it is. So I'm not going to say that the spa day is just going to be for women. A man can also enjoy a beautiful spa day too, for him to just relax, get a massage, get a facial, get whatsoever it is that will just relax everybody, because like I said, Lagos is hard, life is hard as it is. And another thing that you can also do together is, after going on a spa date, you can also go for a dinner date. And if you don't want to go for a spa date, you can just go for a dinner date. You can do this dinner date indoors or outdoors. I mean, restaurants, you can book a reservation, but intimate dinners, sucker. I know people say what's wrong with this babe, but these are the things that make me smile. I want to believe that whether you're a man or a woman that is trying to take your partner out for a dinner date, that's like going to a restaurant, you would have already booked an appointment, because this season is a madness. It is crazy. Appointments are already getting booked. Even from January, appointments are getting booked. If you want to make your dinner very special, let me give you a combination. This is where you have indoor or outdoor dinner. You get a private chef and you do that proposal there. Hey, see love, see love, see love, see all the thoughts, all the energy that has been put into this gift, this one gift, these three gifts combined and made into one. What are you talking about? See love. Let's go to the next gifts. I've said enough. If you cannot, I've said enough. Let's just go to the next gifts. This idea is perfume, and this can also work for him or her. Who doesn't want their partner smelling nice? And whenever they spray that perfume, or you perceive that perfume on them, you guys would always remember that, okay, I got this for you on Valentine's last year, I got this for you on Valentine's this year. So it's just like a gift that sparks memory. Yeah, that is what you should get. A gift that sparks memory, a gift that sparks experience, you know. So another thing that I would like to talk about is like things that are traditional and stood the test of time. Yes, gifts that stood the test of time. Chocolate and love letters. As a sweet tooth babe, count me in. Anytime you hear chocolates, count me in. There's this thing that they do where they have like chocolate bouquets, a handwritten notes. Hey, I say see love. I say see love. What are you talking about? Eh? So when you write, and if you are not going to make the love letter or the love note as thoughtful and as sweet as possible, don't bother, because I am a very emotional, I know that I said this video is going to be biased, but let me speak. I said this video is going to be biased. If the love note or the love letter is not going to come from the heart, it's not going to be emotional, it's not going to say something that will make her laugh, that will make her cry. I mean, this note is not going to be a long note, but if it is not going to make her want to cry, or make him want to cry, or make him want to smile, I mean, the emotional guy is out there, but let's stick with the girls. if it's not going to make her cry, it's not going to make her want to cry, or it's not going to make her laugh, don't bother. Because don't just bother, because what is that kind of love letter? I know that they say the effort counts, but make this effort count. Like when you're giving someone a gift, think about it really. I've spoken about so many gifts, so many things, so many combinations that you can do. You can give to your partner this Valentine's season, but most of all, I know that I've not mentioned everything that you can possibly give to someone. So the best thing that you can do is throughout the year, listen to your partner, know what they like, know what they need. If they need anything, oh my God, the best gifts are gifts that you not expect, and gifts that have so much thought in them. So don't forget to listen to your partner all through the year, so you can make their birthdays and their Valentine's very, very special, and also the Christmas season. Say what you will, but I think that cash gifts are the most unromantic gifts ever. I know that Igbo girls will come for me, or Lagos girls will come for me, but if you're not going to put thought into that money, or do it in a romantic way, do it in a grand way, no matter how small the money is here. I'm not talking about the money has to be large. I'm saying that if there's no thought into giving that money, or if there's no, I know that you say that, okay, yes, I'm thinking about you, that's why I'm giving the money, but the way you give it is very important. And if there is no romance in giving the gift, don't bother. Just find something that you think that you can put thought into and give this person, because trust me, thoughtful gifts are the best kind of gifts. Yeah, so we've come to the end of this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a very, very beautiful Valentine's season with your loved ones and family.